With version 1.7.1.3, two new menu items have been added to the main menu in ChartManager: Export and Import. Clicking the Export menu item opens the Export-Import form in export mode. At the top of the form is the location and name of the zip file to which the selected program files will be exported. This file location can be changed by clicking the Change button. I have already selected a folder in an external USB drive for the export. The files to be exported are shown in the export list. These are files generated by the program for specific ChartManager functions, not those downloaded from the internet. From the list, individual files can be selected for export by checking or unchecking the boxes for each file. The Check All and Check None buttons can also be used for this selection. Once the file selections have been made, clicking the Export button will copy the files to the zip file. The Windows Explorer program can be used to verify that the export file has been generated in the specified drive and folder. Again, these files are program generated to support optional program functions. If any of these functions have not been used, the associated files will not appear in the export list. Now that the program files have been exported, we can use the Import function to restore them. The Import menu selection opens the Export-Import form once more, this time in import mode. First, the location of the file to be used for import must be specified. This is the zip file we just created. The import list shows all of the files found in the zip file and the default folders to which the files will be imported. The checkboxes for each file in the list are used to select the files that will be imported. In this case, I want to import all of the files and use the Check All button for this selection. Checking the Import button copies the files to the specified locations. If a file of the same name exists at that location, the program will ask if it should be overwritten. After the import is complete, the associated program functions can be used to verify that the imported data is valid. In this case, I have verified that my chart collection data is good. The export-import features have two basic functions. One, to allow data created on one system to be transferred to another, and two, to recover program data in the event of a hardware failure or program malfunction.